Hello out there to all my fellow beauty enthusiasts. Today, watch me transform this into long, beautiful mermaid waves in bombshell blonde. All I'm going to do is take these pieces you see behind me, which I've laid out in order of how I plan to install them on my head. And I've already pre-styled, softened up the wave a bit to make it look more natural. So I'm putting it right up here to really blend my own hair near my face in with the extensions. Kind of do a scooping motion in towards your head, a 45-degree angle as you insert the clip, and then comb it together very gently. This hair is so very nice. It combs easily. Now I went ahead and this is the RUNATURE Body Wave in the color 12 and 613. So it's a dirty blonde with a bleach blonde, but to make it blend with my own shadow root, I got this cover on Amazon. I'll put that in the information below. And then I just take it and I simply put it all along the top of the extension. Sometimes I use the spray root touch-ups, and I just kind of do it this direction. I mean, not like this, because it will leave too harsh of a line. So, and then you just comb it through. It will blend better that way. And this one's gonna go straight into the face to make that blend as well. So, like so. And all 7 pieces are in. So let me just comb through, show you my gorgeous mermaid, wavy, delicious blonde hair. I love RUNATURE. This may be my favorite purchase so far. This is an 18-inch. Look how long it is. At first, because the body wave is so wavy, it seemed like 18 inches, but now it seems like, gosh, so much more. Hair for days. Okay, look at this. You can't even tell where the hair begins and where it ends. It's just gorgeous. They make it so simple. It literally took me how many minutes, guys? And completely transformed my look. So they're on Amazon, on the RUNATURE store. It's RUNATURE, and also they have a Facebook group called RUNATURE Discount Hair Club, where you will find special offers, promotional codes, things like that. So be sure to join that group, and you'll save a lot of money that way. They ship within 2 days in Amazon Prime, so they can get there so fast. And if you're new to using extensions, I would highly recommend this product. Clip-ins are very great. I have had a flurry of inspiration that I'm going to be sharing with you soon. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.